You have to be able to talk about yourself in an interesting way. Are you a doctor? Then say you're saving lives on a daily basis. Are you a teacher? Say you are preparing the next generation to rule the world. Just make it interesting. Write down answers to these questions. What do you do for a living? What are your hobbies? Are you a student? Then what do you study? What are your passions? Write down answers and make them interesting and fun. You have to come into the room as a whole package. Be ready to talk about yourself in an interesting way. Be charismatic. Be the character. Be the man with a status. That's what you want. You don't want to struggle and mumble when the girl actually asks you something about yourself. You want to look confident and be prepared to actually answer in a good, interesting way. Make her laugh. It's nothing wrong to actually get these answers prepared. Just take a piece of paper and write it down. If you do not have an interesting job, maybe you work at McDonald's and you just don't want to talk about it, then talk about your hobbies. If even your hobbies you do not take as interesting, then talk about your passions. Talk about something you're just passionate about, even if you're not pursuing it. Talk about it and about your life goals and what you actually want to do with your life. You can always talk about life goals. Doesn't have to be something that's happening now, but just pick an interesting topic, engaging topic.